Hey guys, it's Leah from LuxaPolish. I am super excited to share with you our new Luxa Matrix sculpting gel. It's a revolutionary gel enhancement system. It's a hybrid between gel and acrylic. So it cures like a gel, but it sculpts like an acrylic. So I'll go over a few things, key highlight points. So unlike regular acrylic, Luxa Matrix, there's not going to be any strong odor. You're not going to have that stress to worry about the perfect liquid to powder ratio like many of us have had issues with in the past, or maybe currently do. What makes this different from builder gels is that with Luxa Matrix, there's no chasing your gel around and flash curing 20 times to keep it still. There's no uncomfortable heat spike for your client. You can sculpt a long nail with one ball, and this is a gel. So how awesome is that, right? And what makes Luxa Matrix different from other polygels that are out there is that you do not need a special solution to move your Luxa Matrix. We just suggest 70% isopropyl alcohol or higher, and you can sculpt beautiful nails fast, efficiently. They're durable and lightweight. Your clients are going to love it. So we're going to jump on into the demo, so keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting on my client. I'm going to be just pushing back her cuticles. This is something you should be doing with all your enhancement services. You just want to make sure there's no cuticle left on that nail plate at all, because if there is, you're going to get lifting, and that's annoying to have to fix that every single time. So just get all that cuticle off. So now I'm going to lightly etch her nail, and then I'm shaping her free edge very lightly. And now I'm cleansing her nail with isopropyl alcohol, really getting into the sidewalls and the cuticle, and the free edge is really important as well. So now I'm using Luxa Prime. It's an acid-free primer, and I'm going to touch her whole natural nail. After a few seconds, I can go in with my Luxa base and do a nice thin layer and cure. LED 30 seconds, UV 2 minutes. So I'm using the color neutral today, and I've already placed her form on, kind of figuring out how long we're going to do her nail and how much product I'm going to get. So you're going to squeeze the product out. It's so different than what we're used to. And you use the spatula to cut off the amount you need, and it doesn't move. Isn't that awesome? So you just kind of roll it onto the nail, and it's just going to hang out there till you're ready to start sculpting. And you can put this on all 5 fingers, so this is going to save you time. So I dipped my brush in a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and I press in the middle to distribute the product, and I'm working left to right to distribute my products. So now I'm going to taper down towards the free edge so it doesn't get bulky. We're not going super long and crazy. She's just going to have a nice, natural, kind of professional length. And now for your cuticle area, you just want to tap it into place, and it's going to guide your matrix where it needs to go. Just light taps, and you're probably going to see a few brush strokes, but you're going to go over everything, and it's going to smooth everything out, and it's going to look beautiful, almost like you don't even need to file it. So you have time to clean up your edges, your sidewalls. You can refine as long as you want. And this is a gel, like I said. Your traditional gels, you don't have time to do this. So, and even with acrylic sets normally in about 30 seconds to 60 seconds. So you can take as much time as you need. You can grab more product if you needed to, but just a one ball method and she's done. So since we're doing forms, I want to pinch her nail. So I flash cured 5 seconds and then pinch and then put it back in the lamp for the full 30 seconds. So I'm showing you guys kind of the side angle. Just got a nice apex going. We're gonna now refine and shape. So I'm gonna take off the tacky layer of the matrix gel because it is a gel, so it's gonna have a tacky layer. And I'm gonna go through and do my normal filing, my sidewalls, my free edge, and then refine and shape everything. And you get to the point where you don't really have to file as much because you really can sculpt these beautifully. So I'm just refining everything, making sure everything looks nice and tight, it's flush. The cuticle, that's a really important part. You want to make sure, making sure that I have a nice C curve. Just going to go through quickly with a buffer just to take any scratches out. And we're done. I'm cleaning it off with a little bit of alcohol, so you can go straight in with Luxa Shine if you want to wear a more natural look, or you can go directly in with your gel color. Super easy, guys. Thanks for watching. All the products will be listed below if you're interested. And as always, if you ever have any questions, feel free and ask us down below, or you can email us and we'll be happy to help you. Have an awesome day, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.